Dude, the Ferrari limo is back. Yes. And of course, we got the Prius out today after last night's massive fuckboyery. I think I had enough, so today's more of a chill day. And of course, someone actually paid for our meter. It's free after 6 p.m. on Sundays here on Rodeo Drive, so pro tip for you guys. Oh my God. All right, guys, check this out. Wait for it, wait for it, wait for it. Shut the fuck up. And it's invitation only as well. Oh, very nice, bro. Tess Jr. That Burble too.
Oh, is that the plate?
Oh, it's that guy.
Yeah.
Oh man, the first victim of the night, the slingshot. Oh man, dude, the BHPD locking it down as per usual. Oh, back up. Oh, oh man, dude, Arab clock's over before it's even started, man. What time is it? It's 8:40 p.m. Got the Performante Baylod. It's time to go home. And we got 3 cops here, man. You kidding me? Dude, you guys saw yesterday's video with Bunk Gang getting pulled over twice? Dude, the BHPD are not messing around. They're gonna give this guy the slingshot a ticket, but not Bunk Gang. Because one of the cops knew one of the security guys with him. Knew, yeah, one of the security guys with Bunkin last night recognized one of the officers. They went to high school together or some shit, so jeez, that sucks. No way, they're gonna be towing the fucking, oh, the slingshot. Are you kidding me, you guys? I'm not down with that, man. I'm not down with that. I wonder how they're gonna tow this thing. I've never actually seen one get impounded before. It's a first for everything, ladies and gentlemen. A first on Rodeo Drive, an impound for God knows what. Tip-top tow service. Here we go. Oh, here we go. Oh, what? Look at this. What?
The tax is getting
Oh my God. Oh, dude, what the? Dude, oh. What? What? That's like the worst place to drop someone off, man. Jeez.
He wants to get towed too.
I think so. We should just tow him. Oh, hello, bro. Don't do a pull right now. Don't do it, bro. Oh, he's got the tints up. Are they gonna have to like reverse it? Oh. Where's it going? It's gone. Oh, who's hauling ass? I know, that's a, whoa. Dude, they're going at him. You can smell it. You can smell the fuck boys. Oh man.
They're debating, they're debating.
They're like, should we do it?
Don't do it.
I was like, nah. Nah. Oh no. Are you serious? Dude. Jesus Christ. Hold on, let me oh yeah, they're gonna get him around the corner, dude. Oh, yep. I told you. Woohoo! Oh no! Oh! Whoa! Oh no! Oh man! Oh shit! Oh no! Let me grab my stuff. Oh, dude, that's the fourth guy pulled over today. Oh, he's pretty upset. No, I think those, yeah, the Mercedes and the BMW, the white ones, totally baited these guys, man. This guy took the hit. He took the fall for the other two guys. Dang. Dude, BHPD on lockdown, son. I'm telling you, it's the beginning of the month. Quotas are being filled. Whew, hopefully it gets a warning. I don't know. Bummer. You gotta be careful when you do pulls on Rodeo Drive, ladies and gentlemen. You gotta be very, very careful. Look both ways, make sure no one's around. Then maybe you can do the pull, but I'm not suggesting you speed or anything. You just gotta be more aware of your surroundings. Whoa. Dude, let off with a warning, dog. Respect. He drove away so slowly. Yikes. I feel like I gotta like tiptoe out of here, man. Oh. Jeez. Oh, dogs. Hello, dogs. Dude, check that out. Brabus. We got a new player in town. Oh. And we got Stradman. Stradman, where you at? Time to move out of Utah, son. He's got nowhere to go.
Rev it!
Get him! Get the 488! Oh. Dude, that thing's louder than the goddamn 488. Ooh, an LC. Alright guys, check this out. We're gonna zoom in on the Lux Hotel. Gotcha. Can't smoke. Yeah, she's totally smoking like outside the window.
Sneak a cig.
He's trying to avoid that room fee or whatever, the penalty if you get caught smoking inside the room. Those are expensive. Yeah, they're expensive. Gotcha, lady. Gotcha. All right, guys, back at the lead pad now. Thank you guys so much for making it this far in the video. Better get on deck. We got the 143 Look Smart Vanilla Roaster giveaway. That's still happening. So all you have to do is follow me on Instagram at effspot. I'll link it right here. I'll put it in the comments, pin it on the top. Follow me on Instagram. In a day or two, I'll make a post, and all you have to do is just comment anything, and that will be considered your entry. And you also have to subscribe to my channel. So I still got a couple things to give away. Don't look too sad. Don't get all tangled up. You don't got to pay top dollar for these model cars, because I'm still giving 3 more away. And of course, we got a something pretty special right over here, but that's for me. These are for you. All right, just to recap, ladies and gentlemen, follow me at effspot on Instagram. I'll announce the giveaway contest in a day or two. I'll announce the winners on Sunday. For the time being, I'm gonna unbox and unwrap this 118 BBR Ferrari model. So it's actually my first Ferrari that I've ever bought. So I got a couple more coming in. I'm telling you, like, once you start buying, it's like an addiction. You just can't stop. So I'm gonna stop wasting everyone's time. I'm gonna sashay the fuck out of here. Have a good day.
So we're just following effspot, and he just got pulled over by the police. I think it was a CHP officer that pulled him over.
Alright, I don't know what's going on here, guys. Got a couple cruisers behind us. Should have taken the fucking Prius. Oh, what the? What? Are you kidding me right now?